Avocado and its powerful health advantages. Recent years have seen a lot of love for avocado, which is sometimes called the alligator pear, because of the way it looks. Avocados have made their way into kitchens and diets all over the world thanks to their mild taste, creamy texture, and many uses. Avocados are not only tasty in salads, sandwiches, and salsa, but they are also good for you in many other ways. We'll talk about all the many ways that avocados are highly nutritious and can improve your health in this piece. Powerhouse of nutrition. Avocados have a lot of important nutrients. Take a look at what they bring to the table. 1. Healthy fats. Most people know that avocados are full of healthy fats, especially oleic acid. These fats are good for your heart and can help lower bad cholesterol, which lowers your risk of getting heart disease. 2. Fiber. An avocado has about 14 grams of dietary fiber, which makes it a great food for gut health. Fiber helps keep your gut bacteria healthy and regular, so you don't get constipated. 3. Vitamins and minerals. Avocados are full of vitamins and minerals that your body needs. They contain potassium, which helps keep blood pressure in check, as well as vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and several B vitamins. Plus, each gram of them has more potassium than a banana. 4. Antioxidants. Avocados have a lot of antioxidants, which help protect the body from free radicals that can cause long-term diseases like cancer and aging faster than it should. 5. Compounds that reduce inflammation. Avocados have many compounds that reduce inflammation, such as phytosterols, which can help the body heal itself. Good heart health. Avocados contain healthy fats that are linked to better heart health. Some studies show that eating a lot of these fats can lower your chance of heart disease by raising your HDL cholesterol and lowering your LDL cholesterol. Avocado's potassium presence is also very important for keeping blood pressure in a healthy range, which is another way it helps heart health. Managing your weight. Some people may think that avocados can't help you lose weight, but the good fats and fiber in them can. The fats help you feel full and pleased, which makes it less likely that you will eat too much. The fiber helps your body digest food, which keeps you from snacking between meals. Good eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two vitamins that are found in avocados and are very important for keeping your eyes healthy. These chemicals can lower your chances of getting age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, which will help you keep your eyesight clear as you get older. Skincare. Apart from their healthy fats, bananas contain vitamins C and E, which can help your skin look healthy and young. These nutrients help keep the skin safe from UV damage and slow down the aging process by getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Good bones. Vitamin K, which is found in avocados, is very important for bone health because it helps the body absorb calcium and makes bones stronger. The high potassium level of avocados can also help stop calcium loss in the urine. Good brain health. Avocados have natural fats that may also be good for brain health. They help the blood flow, which is important for brain health, and may lower the risk of losing our minds as we age. How to eat avocados as part of your diet. Avocados are very flexible and can be used in a lot of different recipes, such as guacamole is a standard and tasty dip made from tomatoes, onions, mashed avocados, and spices. Avocado toast. Put mashed avocado on whole grain toast and add things like poached eggs, smoked salmon, or chopped tomatoes on top. For a rich and healthy twist on your favorite salads, add sliced avocado. Drinks. Add avocados to your morning drinks to make them creamier and healthier. Sushi. Avocado is often used in sushi rolls because it gives them a unique taste and a creamy texture. Avocado is not only a hip food, but it's also very healthy and full of nutrients. This creamy green fruit can help your heart, help you lose weight, take care of your eyes, and make your skin look younger. The great taste of avocados and the great health benefits they offer can both be enjoyed by adding them to your diet. Don't be afraid to add avocados to your meals and see how they improve your health. A tasty drink recipe with avocado. Adding avocado to a tasty and creamy drink can be a great idea. A recipe for an avocado and banana smoothie is given below. What you need: 1 avocado that has been peeled and chopped. 1 banana that's ripe. 1 cup of milk. Any milk you like, including dairy milk, almond milk, soy milk, or any other milk. A half cup of Greek yogurt. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Remember to taste it. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. A handful of ice cubes may be added for a colder, thicker drink. Here are the steps. Get the avocado and banana ready. Cut the avocado in half. Take out the pit, and scoop out the meat. Cut the banana into pieces after peeling it. Blend the ingredients. Put the banana, milk, Greek yogurt, honey, and vanilla flavor in a blender. Add the ripe avocado. You can also add a handful of ice cubes if you like your drink stiffer and colder. Blend until smooth. Begin mixing on low speed and slowly raise it until the mixture is creamy and smooth. If your smoothie is too thick, add a little more milk and mix it again until it's the right consistency. Taste and make changes. Taste the drink and add more honey if you think it needs it to be sweeter. Blend for a short time to mix in the honey. To serve, pour the avocado and banana smoothie into cups. If you want, you can add a slice of banana or a drizzle of honey on top. This smoothie with avocado and banana is not only tasty, but also very creamy and good for you. The avocado gives the smoothie a unique creaminess and a healthy amount of fats. The banana, on the other hand, gives it natural sweetness and a potassium boost. For breakfast, as a snack after a workout, or just as a tasty treat any time of the day, this drink is great. Do I need to eat avocado every day? Just like with any other food, how often you should eat avocados relies on your personal eating habits, nutritional needs, and health goals. Avocados are good for you and can be a wonderful part of a healthy diet. Here are some general rules to think about. Moderation. Because they are high in good fats, avocados are pretty high in calories. It's important to eat calories in balance if you're watching your weight. Most people think that 1 helping of avocado is about 1/3 to 1/2 of an avocado. Daily consumption. Some people eat avocados every day, which is fine as long as it doesn't affect your food and calorie goals. But it's important to make sure you're getting enough other nutrient-dense foods, and that you're meeting your total nutritional needs. A healthy diet needs a lot of different foods. Even though avocados are full of good fats, you shouldn't get all of your fat from them. To get a wider range of nutrients, eat healthy fats from foods like nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. Personal goals. How often you eat avocados can also depend on your individualized health objectives. You might choose to eat avocados more often if you want to get more heart-healthy fats or to improve the health of your skin. Talk to a dietitian if you have specific health problems or worries about your diet. You should talk to a registered dietitian or other health professional. They can give you personalized suggestions based on your specific wants and needs. Always keep in mind that balance and variety are important for a good diet. Avocados have healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can make your food better. However, they should be a part of a varied and well-balanced diet that gets a lot of different nutrients from different foods.